Hello friends, in this session I will discuss about mobile sensors. These are the components that make our smartphone smarter. By definition, we can say the sensor is a device that detects and measures the changes in the nearby environment and sends that data to the operating system or processor. There are mainly three categories of sensors that smartphone have. First category is motion sensors, second is environment sensors, and next is position sensors. Smartphone sensors can be further categorized as accelerometer, ambient light sensor, ambient temperature sensor, air humidity sensor, barometer sensor, fingerprint sensor, gyroscope sensor, harmful radiation sensor, magnetometer sensor, NFC sensor, proximity sensor, and pedometer sensor. Accelerometer detects the changes in orientation of a smartphone with respect to X, Y, and Z axis. Today, many cameras app provide specific orientation based features like portrait mode or panoramic mode. All these features are based on this accelerometer sensor. Now come to the ambient light sensor. Ambient light sensor detects the light around our environment. The screen of a smartphone auto brightness is working because of this sensor. This sensor detects the light around us and send back that data to the operating system, and then based on that data, operating system adjusts the brightness of the screen. Ambient temperature sensor. The temperature sensor is used to detect the temperature around our environment. This is not a standard sensor for all phones. Only some special phones like Samsung Galaxy S4 and Samsung Galaxy S5 have this kind of temperature sensor. Air humidity sensor. The air humidity sensor is used to detect the humidity around our environment. This sensor helps in some advanced fitness applications. Barometer sensors are used to detect atmospheric pressure. It can also detect the distance from sea level. It helps GPS to accurately detect the location of a smartphone. It also helps to detect many fitness activities like tracking the steps we walk throughout the day. Today, everyone's primary choice for security is a fingerprint sensor. When we enroll our fingerprints for the first time, this sensor basically creates a map of our fingerprints. Then next time, when we put our fingers on the sensor, it just matches it with the registered one. If it matches, then our phone gets unlocked. This is how basically fingerprint sensor works. Gyroscope sensor. Gyroscope sensor is an advanced version of accelerometer. While accelerometer detects axis-based motion sensing, gyroscope works with accelerometer and detects each degree of change in orientation. It provides highly precise motion sensing. When we capture 360-degree shots, then this is the sensor which senses the changes in orientation and snaps the photos in every degree. When we play a racing game, then this is the sensor which senses our actions. Harmful radiation sensor. This sensor is used to detect harmful radiation in the nearby our environment. Again, this is not a standard sensor. A few smartphones have this kind of sensor. Magnetometer works like a compass in our smartphone. It measures magnetic fields and can tell where is north. When we use Apple Map or Google Map, then magnetometer tells us where is north. There are some metal detector apps which use a magnetometer to detect presence of a metal. NFC sensors or near field communication sensor is a technology by which two electronic devices can communicate with each other by bringing them within the range of 4 cm of each other. They can quickly send encrypted data to each other, such as payment details. Nowadays, many smartphones have built-in support of NFC. These sensors are used for cashless payments. Now come to the proximity sensor. Proximity sensor detects the presence of an object. In our smartphone, it detects the distance between sensor and any object such as ear or hand. During call, our smartphone screen automatically goes off. This is because of proximity sensor present in a smartphone. Pedometer is an advanced version of accelerometer. It mostly used to track our steps when we walk. If our phone has pedometer sensor, then it can accurately detect how many steps we have walked. This is all about mobile sensors. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.